Bonjour. Today's topic is vegetables. We are going to learn some names of the vegetables. But I was thinking, what's the purpose of just knowing the names of the vegetables, but you don't know how to use it in your conversation? So for that reason, I was thinking, let's learn how to buy the vegetables. Alors, so let me introduce in French. The lesson it is. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre comment acheter des légumes. Acheter, buy, des légumes, the vegetables. Okay, so the first one, des pommes de terre, the potatoes. Des pommes de terre. The key sentence that you have to remember, it is je voudrais acheter 1 kilo. 1 kilo, 1 kg. And after, you just name the vegetable. Pommes de terre. Je voudrais acheter 2 pommes de terre. I would like to buy 1 kg of potatoes. Bon, that's clear? Now, the next one. Again, I'm just telling you, remember this sentence. Je voudrais acheter 1 kilo de and change the vegetable. So here you would say, je voudrais acheter 1 kilo de citrouille. Citrouille. Any vegetable you are going to buy, you just repeat the same sentence. Je voudrais acheter 1 kilo de citrouille, pumpkin. Bon, next. Des navets, the turnips. Je voudrais acheter 1 kilo de navets. What about aubergines? Des aubergines. You would say, je voudrais acheter 1 kilo de aubergines. No. Aubergine, it is starting with a vowel. So instead of saying de, I would say D apostrophe. Je voudrais acheter 1 kilo d'aubergine. 1 kilo d'aubergine. So that you have to remember. If the vegetable starts with a vowel, D apostrophe, kilo d'aubergine or kilo d'oignon, something like that. And if it is starting with a consonant letter, then it is de. So we have seen how to buy anything in 1 kg. Now, it is not necessary that you will always buy something in kgs. You don't have certainly a big family maybe. So, what if you need to buy something a bit less? So, in that case, you would say, for example, you are going to buy the calbas. So, you would say, je voudrais acheter 500 grammes de calbas. Any number, any specific grams you want, like 500 grams, 200 grams, 300 grams. For that, you need to know the numbers. I'm giving the link. You can learn the numbers if you don't know. So here, the numbers will be really needed. You would say, je voudrais acheter 500 grams if you need half a kg. But if you need to have 250 grams, you can say 250 grams. Okay, so that we know how to buy the vegetables. Now we just need to know the names of the vegetables, and you go in the market and buy any vegetable. In even the same rule you can apply for the fruits that you want to buy fruits. You would say, je voudrais acheter des pommes, the apples, maybe. Like that you can use. Okay, so here we concentrate on vegetables. Des poivrons, de capsicum, des poivrons, des petits pois, des petits pois, petits pois, des petits pois, des courgettes, des betteraves, du maïs. Be careful, this word is not ma, it is maïs, maïs. When there are the two dots on the letter I, we have to pronounce the E sound, maïs. Des concombres, des concombres, des radis, des carottes, des haricots verts. Okay, be very careful. Haricot, it is starting with H. We know that it is a vowel letter, mute letter, so usually we join with the previous sound, but this one is one exception. So we would say des haricots instead of saying des haricots. We will not join. Des haricots verts, des haricots verts. Okay. Un chou, un chou-fleur. So quite similar to Urdu speaker. Chou-fleur. Brocoli, du brocoli. Un concombre amer. Amer, it means bitter. Un concombre amer. Oignon, des oignons. Des aïs, des aïs. Des piments. Du gingembre, du basilic, du persil, de la coriandre, de la menthe, des artichauts, des champignons, des olives, des asperges, de l'épinard, du fenugrec, de la laitue, du céleri. Okay, so now we will learn how to use in a dialogue, how to actually buy anything from the market. So the dialogue will happen something like that. Bonjour madame, comment je peux vous aider? Bonjour madame, comment je peux vous aider? If the buyer is a man, it would be monsieur. Bonjour monsieur or madame. Okay? So, comment je peux vous aider? How can I help you? Alors, bonjour monsieur, je voudrais acheter 500 grammes de poivrons, s'il vous plaît. Ça coûte combien? 2 € madame. Voilà, tenez. Merci madame. Bonne journée. Bonne journée monsieur. So, I hope you liked the video. Au revoir. Bonne journée.